in 3. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The game we're going to be playing is Sharknado. And so, we love Sharknado. No, yeah, you go up there. And I want this guy to go all the way over there. Good. We have separate screens. I don't know if I can record twice. I don't know. We can play Wild Animals Online. So, we are going the best way. So, Felix World is a YouTuber, and she loves my videos. But she has this game, and she's in love with it. So, she might comment today, I don't know, tomorrow, who knows. So, I hope you guys enjoy your summer vacation. Well, some of you guys might have lessons. Some of you guys might be adults, who knows? I don't really know. It's my business. It's not my business, that's what I'm saying. Okay, gonna join somewhere. Okay, where shall we join? Siberia, no. Amazon, no. Monster Field, no. Dragon Lava, we're gonna try Dragon Lava today. And boom, bomb, shrinking. Okay, where's everyone? Hold on. The only way I'll find out where everyone is. One person? Of course not. We're gonna try a champions battle today. And I think you guys never saw me play a champion battle. Just let me know in the comments. Okay, wait. Oh no, sheep. Okay, sheep 6. Let's go. We got a sheep here. I think we can get enough time to break it down. Because I'm keeping my Okay. I don't really care. 10, 13, 12, 11. Wait, I think it's only us, right? I don't know. Because I'm not seeing no one else spawning. So this, it's only us. Okay, stop wasting my time here. Okay, go. Oh, you? Someone join. Let's go. Before more people join. I know that person. That's like a carnivore. Someone's calling me. I'm not gonna answer. But do not use your boost, because that's wasting your power. We gotta make it quick. Didn't I just told you not to use it? Now you're gonna have to wait whole day for that power up. Well, I don't know. Who on earth is calling me? This way, sheep. Okay, that way. Oh yeah, we made it, baby. Wait, I think someone's gonna make it before us. We gotta make it before they reach our stone. I don't need a call. Please don't call me back. Sorry. Here. Let's see what other battles it has. Champions. I want a group battle. Champions are kind of boring. I guess that person left. I hope the next carnivore joins. Handsome deer in the world. Yes, I would like to go home. I would not like to stay here. So make more sense. We're gonna go in the world's special place. I think I'll try the Sahara or Wildland. Good. Anyone here? Oh, it has a lot of people. What? It only has Fox? That is stupid and it's boring. was born. Wildland. And I was going around and set. The Sahara has, like, I think Wildland have, like, deadly things. Like a fossil, dinosaur fossil. I think it's a Spinosaurus fossil. You know? Okay, at least we have wolves, at least we have sheep, at least we have longhorn cow. I'm gonna target boa. And never. Longhorn cow sounds familiar. Just follow that arrow. It's not a longhorn cow. Neymar from World Cup from football. Boom. I'm not attacking that thing. What? I think I get attacking. Why? Oh my. Where on earth is Boa? Why? Oh my. Ooh, I think I can. A T-Rex. Oh no, a wolf. Wolf. Hi, wolf. Hi, wolf. Oh my God, I don't get it. So, hi, wolf. Alright, our task is to clap the zombies. There's Boa. Oh yeah, I know these animals, but I never saw them in real life. They're like in Africa, Mamaka. Because I don't live in Africa. I know deers live in my country. But they don't live. Deers live in my country. Hold on, I gotta go for a zombie. A T-Rex. Oh no, I wanted a T-Rex. They have 2 forms. I don't want to attack you, but then you're gonna merge. They attack you, so they want to merge. Wait, this is gonna have cats, or is that a panther? Yeah, that's a panther, I believe. Get the. You died in front of my face. Wait, don't tell me that's a female deer there. I think it did. Oh, a male, finally. Oh my gosh, you just done it. What did I do? Okay, I deserve to die because Tulip is the worst. I can just get back revenge. Where's Tulip? I hate to be around gazelles, except for Vegeta. Where is everyone? Look at my handsome face. I'm just gonna. Who's calling me? No, someone's calling me. I'm gonna call them. Come on. Good. Now we got Bob. Oh, you're gonna attack me? Let's fight. Let's fight. Oh, I can't fight. Okay. Oh no, there's a whole army coming towards us. No, I need to kill someone. Where's Sky? I think I need to kill Boa? No, too strong. This stupid guy here. I never even get to get my kick on him. Wait, what? That is brutal. That is very brutal. But I can't kill Liam. Liam is a boy name, right? Not girlfriend. Someone has to kill me. Then this big chicken comes here. Not a chicken, this kind of phoenix is a phoenix-like animal, but it's a bird with legs and a lion. I don't know. You guys will see. I really want to post it on YouTube. Oh, Gee, cat girl. Ooh. You should actually be like. Please kill this guy. You. I have to kill you. No, I mean it. What? Oh, I didn't know Storm used to come up. That's weird. I can kill her. Fine. If she's a hacker, I will cry like a baby. 2 people died. Yes! I can pick him up. I need him. I need him more than anything. Okay. Now. Okay, I just gotta keep him. Hang in there, buddy. Hang in there. Just. Don't attack me, you stupid. I was finally gonna get what I wanted. But then, is that Tulip? It better be Tulip. Oh my gosh. I want you. attack me when you don't even have horns? You just force yourself to get horns. People don't have heads because of... Oh my god. I hate when they attach you. How strong is that stupid? Move! Move, you stupid! Move! Move! Call. Girl! Okay guys, see you later, and this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoy. Bye.